RockDaisy AMS, a fully customized platform that helps ensure athletes are ready to perform at their best. By centralizing, compiling, and visually presenting data, RockDaisy provides tools needed to make informed decisions that will optimize results. RockDaisy dashboards are built according to what you want to see. Permission-based views provide athletes, coaches, and staff different levels of access. There are three main components of RockDaisy AMS: data collection, data centralization, and data visualization. For data collection, there's a library of pre-built forms available, and you have the option to build your own. RockDaisy supports numerous data sources, including third-party APIs and spreadsheet uploads. RockDaisy looks great on any device. Forms can be scheduled to go out to athletes at a specific time. Dashboards are broken down into two categories: team and athlete. All dashboards have the capability of being exported to a PDF and shared to users via email or text. RockDaisy is here to meet your needs and make your data actionable. Schedule a demo. Visit rockdaisy.com/AMS.